What's up, fellas? We just got a little demo of this red smoke and a 90-second strobe. It's nothing crazy, but I want to see what this combination does, man. Hopefully it's a cool little effect. Looks like the Undertaker. Let's see what happens. Maybe I should have put the smoke like towards the floor. What y'all think? Okay, looks a little better. Looking like the Undertaker. Alright, I'm gonna let this go because I don't want you guys to get blind. It's a little idea for you guys. 90-second strobe, and then one of the big smoke things. Oh yeah, we gotta go. It's a little too much.